Good afternoon. We have made a trip this afternoon. It's taken us about 4 hours, but we're no longer in Bologna. We've made it to the small town of Murano. It took a Trenitalia train and then a regional train ride to get here, and it was worth every second of the ride to get here. It is absolutely spectacular. The video that we're about to show you, pictures and video don't do it justice. It is absolutely beautiful up here.
Yeah.
So enough of me talking. Let's take a look. It is the next day. It is about 4:30, almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We have spent most of our day. We got up this morning. We had breakfast, which consisted of
A ginormous bagel. Literally that big.
And then we walked from our Airbnb, which is kind of in the center of Old Town, over to, I'm going to defer to you for the name of the castle.
Trauttmansdorff's. Yeah, this Trauttmansdorff's castle.
Castle and garden, I guess?
And garden, yes.
They recommend you spend 3 to 4 hours taking yourself through the self-guided tour, and it will take you all of 3 to 4 hours to make it through all of it.
Now, we also had lunch.
Correct. We did have lunch at the restaurant, which was very good. And I'm going to just roll some footage now, and so get ready for waterfall, mountain view, flower, any kind of garden you can imagine overload. And if you don't like that sort of stuff, you can click off the video right now, but for like the next minute and a half, it's just going to be some of the most beautiful scenery Italy has to offer. Wasn't that beautiful? I told you it was going to be overload on the waterfalls and the scenery. We are currently headed back into the town of Murano. We're going to find, it is aperitivo time. So after we aperitivo, then we are going to find a place for dinner. Murano's not quite like Bologna and Rome and some of the other cities we've visited. It's chilly here at night, and the crowd seems to eat early and be back inside. It was fine for us, but it's a little bit.
And by early, it's not 9 o'clock for dinner.
Not 9 o'clock. Yeah, when we were in Bologna, we were eating dinner still sometimes, some nights at 10 o'clock. We did not experience that here last night. So we've got a little bit of a hike back to the, I lost my co-pilot there, a little bit of a hike back to the Airbnb, and we will catch up with you later. Bye. So we're gonna end the Murano portion of our video here. Last night after aperitivo, we had dinner, went back to the Airbnb, kind of crashed out. We'd walked close to 10.5 miles yesterday on the garden grounds and looking at the castle and stuff. Our next stop is going to be Verona, and we are actually already here. We're only going to be here a night, so we're going to try to pack in as many sites as we can this afternoon and in the morning. So we are headed out now, and we will see you in the next video.